forget to subscribe!
We need you, Eddy!
Pororo and his friends are going to Loopy's house.
Loopy!
Hello! What a nice surprise!
Hello!
Oh, what's wrong with this? Ah, you must be hungry. Come on inside. I have cookies for you.
Really? Sounds yummy! Let's go!
Oh, this needs to be fixed right away.
If she asked me, I could fix that in a flash.
Poby, Eddy.
Let's go in for now.
Have a seat.
Okay. Oh,
Oh dear, I think my table's broken.
Don't worry, Loopy. I, the great Eddy, will fix it. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Eddy went home to get his tools.
Where did I put it? Ah, I need this and this. Oh, there should be enough. Ah, the vacuum cleaner. Things might get messy after I fix everything.
Wow, you clean too? Eddy, you're amazing.
All right, let's take this too. It's not broken. What happened here? Oh, what's that sound? Oh!
all fixed.
What? Poby fixed everything?
Poby, thank you.
We can count on Poby. Amazing!
Oh, shucks.
Poby, the paint is peeling off on my house. Do you think you can help me paint it?
Of course, Petty. Huh? Eddy, what's all that you have?
Oh, it's nothing. Never mind.
Wow, it's a vacuum cleaner.
Oh, this? It's a super strong cleaner that I made. Want to see?
What are you doing, Eddy?
It sucked up all my cookies, Eddy.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't mean to.
The day has grown dark. Eddy is working hard making something.
I'm finished.
Poby, do you think you can help me paint my house?
We'll help you with that, Petty. Go, Power Paintbrush! It's perfect! I'll really show everyone my skills this time.
The next day, Eddy went to Petty's house with his power paintbrush.
Petty!
Eddy! What brings you here in the morning?
Petty, tell me where the paint is peeled off.
Peeled off?
Yeah, you said that your paint was peeling. I've come to repaint for you.
This is a spot.
Ah, now watch. I'll paint it over real nicely.
Oh!
This isn't right.
What are you doing, Eddy?
No, this wasn't...
What's going on?
Petty's name has disappeared.
Don't worry, Petty. I'll put your name back on.
Really? Can you really do it?
Of course. Okay.
Well, it's so neat and nice now. Thank you, Poby. That's my Poby for ya.
Shucks.
I could have done a good job, too.
Eddie!
Oh,
Wow, what a cool machine. Did you make that?
oh yeah.
Huh? Oh, what's wrong with him?
Oh, I could have done a good job, too.
Eddie!
Hello, Roddie.
Hello, you're back so soon. Did Poby want to go home early?
Oh, what, Poby?
Poby always makes everyone go home before it gets dark.
Oh.
The sun is already setting. Hey guys, I think we should all go home now.
Oh, but I want to play more.
Right, that's it.
Crong, stop right there.
Hey, this is fun.
Hey guys, it's getting really late. We should be heading home now.
Oh, is it time to go already?
Let's hurry home before it gets dark.
Okay.
Hold on. We can play even after the sun sets.
But it's going to be dark soon.
Just watch.
What's he doing?
Just wait and see.
Wow, it's so bright now.
Now we can play all night long.
Wow, how exciting! Way to go, Eddy.
This isn't a good idea. It's time for us to go home.
Hey guys, let's play.
Okay, guys. Promise to go home after you play for a bit longer.
Okay, don't worry.
It's morning. Everyone looks tired after playing all night long.
I'm sleepy.
Hey, guys. Why do you all look so tired?
Poby.
We played all night long, so we're really sleepy.
I told you not to stay up late. I think you should go home and get some rest.
Yeah, we should have listened to you yesterday, Poby.
Nuh-uh. We still had a lot of fun playing. Let's play all night long again tonight.
I think I caught a cold from playing all night long.
You know what? I think it's better to go home at night and sleep.
Yeah, you're right. Let's go.
Poby's getting all the compliments again. Maybe my friends don't need me anymore.
Eddie, let's go home.
No, I'm going to play some more.
Eddie?
It's nighttime again. It seems Tong Tong is still awake.
What is that? That's by the playground. Why is it so bright now? Is everyone having a party or something? I'll go check it out. Wow, it's really bright. Oh, so the light's coming from here. How amazing. There's another one. Oh no. This is terrible. What should I do? What should I do? Okay, I'll go ask my friends to help.
Tong Tong went to Eddy's house first.
Eddy!
Tong, what brings you here?
Tong Tong told Eddy what happened at the playground and asked for his help.
Oh, that's what happened.
You can help me, right?
Of course I can. You can count on me.
Thank you, Eddy. Let's go.
Hold on.
Huh? What's wrong?
I think Poby will be better for the job. You should go ask Poby.
Huh? All right, Eddy. I'll be on my way then.
Tong Tong asked Poby and the others for help.
It's a total mess.
Be careful. There are many pieces on the ground.
I'm so sorry, guys.
It's okay.
But how are we going to clean all this up?
I think we need Eddy to help us.
If anyone can make our playground clean again, it's Poby.
That's right. Poby, you can do it, right?
Well...
Don't worry. We'll all help you too. Won't we, Crong?
Oh no. Eddy heard everything.
I guess they really don't need me.
Are you okay?
Poby, please do something.
Yeah, somebody's gonna get hurt.
I'm sorry. This is my fault.
This won't do. We should all go ask Eddy for his help right now.
Eddy?
Yeah. With Eddy's inventions, I'm sure he can take care of this easily.
Do you think he'll help us after this morning? I bet he's upset.
Yeah, right.
Eddy will help us, I know it. Let's hurry, you guys.
Okay.
Hold on.
Eddy!
Do you guys really need my help?
Of course we do, Eddy. We really need you.
Yeah, Eddy! Please help us!
Okay, I'll help you. There. Let's take a look first. Yep.
Wow!
Now for my brushes.
So amazing!
Phew, all finished.
You're definitely a genius. What would we do without you, Eddy?
Oh, this was nothing.
We're sorry about this morning.
Yeah, I think I was too hard on you.
I'm sorry, Eddy.
Oh, it's okay. If I hadn't gotten jealous of Poby, then this wouldn't have happened. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Eddy.
Hey guys, let's all go home now.
Okay.
Thanks to Eddy, the playground has become cleaner and safer. Good job, Eddy.